Another great feature of MantisProperty is the video library system that's built directly into the Elite package. If you're using videos for your listings, you often have to upload them to YouTube or Vimeo and then use those URLs in your listings. The disadvantage with using YouTube is you end up with YouTube branding over the top of your videos, and when someone watches one of those videos, it then shows related videos at the end, which you have no control over. YouTube also often make changes to the way that their video player works, and you have no control over that either. If you're using Vimeo for your videos, you do get a much more professional look and feel to it, but Vimeo also comes with quite large fees to host the videos if you don't want their branding showing. For this reason, we created the video library system built into MantisProperty. This allows you to upload your videos directly into MantisProperty, into a video library, which you can then use on your listings, landing pages, and your website. If you're logged in with admin access, then you have full access to all of this, but you can also set restrictions for each user as to whether they can upload videos and also whether they have access to all videos in the video library or only videos uploaded for them. So I'll show you how you can set up those restrictions first, and then I'll run you through the functionality of the video library. So you simply go into Preferences, then User Accounts. And if we edit a user account here, down in the options here, you'll see these two options here. Allow uploading to video library. So if you tick that, that allows that user to upload videos to the video library. If you don't tick that, they can still use videos, but they just can't upload their own ones to the library. The other option here is restrict video library access to videos uploaded by this user. So if that's ticked, they won't have access to the entire video library. They'll only have access to videos that either they've uploaded or your office has uploaded and assigned specifically for them. To access the actual video library, you do this under Documents and Files, and then Video Library. This will then show you any videos that have been uploaded to the library. You can upload videos for your main office account, and you can also upload videos for specific users within the system. Here it will show you a placeholder image, the name of the video, and then it'll give you two links. The first link is an MP4 direct URL. So if you need access to the actual raw MP4 file for any reason, or you need to link to that, you can do that by grabbing that link. We also do streaming of the videos automatically from within MantisProperty. So if you want to use that on things like landing pages, you can just grab that URL there, and it gives you a completely unbranded player that you can use within your web pages. To add a video, simply click Add New Video here. And in here, you give it a name, you upload your MP4 file for the video, and you can upload a placeholder image. So the placeholder image is this thumbnail image that shows down here. If you don't upload a placeholder image, then MantisProperty will automatically pick one for you from your video. It's usually the first available frame that it can find that's not black or faded out. And then you can also assign the video to a specific user account within your account. Once you've added the video, it'll appear in here. The first time that you add a video, the streaming URL will show as processing, and that's just because our encoder system takes about 5 minutes to process a video, depending on how large that video is. You can click on Edit here, and that takes you into the edit screen for that video. So you can change the name of it, you can change the video if you want, change the placeholder image. You can even press play here and watch the actual video to see what it looks like there. If you need to delete it, just click Delete Item and that'll delete it. The next thing you can do is assign videos to your listings. So to do that, you just go into the listing that you want a video used on. So I'll just pick a random one here. And you scroll down the bottom and you'll see this section here, video source, where you can set it to an external URL or use something from your video library. So if you've set it to external URL, which is what it has been in the past before the video library was created, you can just put in a link here and that feeds through to your website and the portals. That link usually only supports Vimeo or YouTube URLs, as the portals don't accept other URLs there. But what you can do now is you can click on My Video Library, and that'll show you any videos that you've uploaded. If you've restricted access to videos for certain users, they'll only see the videos that they have access to. And then you simply select the video you want to use for the listing. It puts a green border around it so you know that's selected, and then you just scroll down and save. What that does is when a video has been assigned to a specific listing, when that listing feeds out to the portals, it'll send that video to the portals. It'll also show that video on any landing pages that are generated by MantisProperty. It exposes that video in the API, and also if you're integrating with your website, it should show that video on your website. Because we have the full streaming system set up in MantisProperty, it also means that those videos will stream on any devices such as mobile phones, desktops, laptops, that sort of thing. So that's the video library system. We hope you find that useful. And if you're using Vimeo or YouTube, we recommend that you get your videos into MantisProperty so that way you remove the branding and you get more control over the way your videos are presented on the various platforms and on your website.